Okay, good morning, my dear students. In today's lecture, I want to give you some insights about product life cycle. I will share my screen with all of you. Now you are able to see my screen. This is product life cycle. This product life cycle and its associated marketing strategies. These are the topics which we need to discuss today. So product life cycle. So what is the cycle? Cycle means simply repeating the same. Okay. So what to repeat the same? We'll discuss. So initially, every company will have so many products. Product 1, product 2, product 3, like this, so many products. Right. This is called product line. Right. But here we don't have any discussion with the product line. We are discussing about only one product. Right. Only one product, first product. Right. Take any product. Now we need to draw a graph between the sales versus the time period, right? How the sales will have relation to the time period, right? For any product. Any product you see, it will undergo same strategies or same stages, right? But time only will vary for any product you take. Either it may be a computer or car or chip or pen or ink or anything, right? Definitely there will be a graph like this only, right? Because the pattern of company introduction into the product into the market and the marketing strategy, all are same, right? So I will explain one by one. Now you see, after introduction into the market, so initially time is 0, right? Now you are introducing your product into the market. Now you are having two cases. One is completely new product, or you are new to the market. Either this one or this one, right? Completely new product. Suppose a product related to the biomechanics or biomedical engineering or robotics or something, right? So a completely new product. Earlier, the product is not at all in the market, right? Second case, you are new to the market. Product is already existing in the market. Now, as a recent person, you entered in the market. Suppose I'm having so many computers in the market, so many cars in the market, so many pens in the market, right? Got a point. So recently, some XYZ company with its earlier brand image, right? They entered into the market. Suppose MRF tires, right? Or CEAT tires, or Maruti Suzuki, or HP, or Compaq, or Tata, or some Reliance, right? So earlier we don't have any intervention of these companies in some areas, right? Suppose pen, Reliance pen lo unnai mana daggara levu kada, right? Suppose all of a sudden Reliance company vaadu oka kotta pen dimpadu anuko, right? So Reliance ane dani meeda meeku migata product మీద నమ్మకం ఉంది. పెన్ ఎలా తయారు చేస్తాడో మీకు తెలియదు. So he is new to the market, right? So immediately you cannot expect a very high amount of sales. So first one, you need to, the introduction stage, because you are new to the market or the product is new, you need to create awareness in the market. Your marketing strategy is to be creating awareness among the people, right? So that you are introducing yourself. I am producing this product in the market. Please try and please give your feedback like this. Okay. So people will be get aware of your product, and some people will take the risk of purchasing your product. Okay. So మార్కెట్ లో ఇన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్లు సాటిస్ఫైడ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఉండగా నీ ప్రోడక్ట్ కొని అనవసరంగా రిస్క్ చేసి ఎవరు రిస్క్ చేస్తారు? వెరీ ఫ్యూ పీపుల్. దట్స్ వై In the introduction stage, your sales are very low, right? Okay, as time goes on, once your quality is good, the people who took the risk, right, they will be satisfied with their risk and the return, right? అనవసరంగా ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ కొన్నాను అని ఫీల్ అవ్వకుండా మంచి ప్రోడక్టే కొన్నాను అని ఫీల్ అయ్యి they will go for mouth canvassing with their relatives, with their friends, sharing with their all fellows, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever it might be. So the product will have high amount of sales. In addition to your advertising, the people will do advertising on your behalf because they are satisfied customers. So this is early growth. So here you can change your pricing. Okay, change pricing to get some profit. Profit is okay, but main thing is market share, right? Because more and more people purchase your products, that means you are expanding in the market, right? So initially there are two strategies for the pricing. One is skimming price. Second one is penetrating price. Skimming price ante endante initially high price fix chesi slowly you making down. Penetrating price, initially it is very low, slowly you are increasing the price, right? Different, completely worse. Skimming price ante meaning nenu pen introduce chesi market lo this pen cost 500 rupees ani cheptanu. Some people will purchase, right? After some time, initially 500 rupees chesi, next malli 457 rupees chesi, final ga nenu market lo 289 rupees దగ్గర standard చేస్తాను. And penetrating price 10 rupees a pen, 10 rupees. So I want to have initially market penetration. Penetration ante grabbing the market with your very low price, attractive price. 10 rupees ki manchi pennu నేను ఆఫర్ చేస్తాను. Initially I may bear the loss. My aim is to grab the market first. Then I will introduce second version 50 rupees, third version 150 rupees, fourth version with the gold coating, now it is 289 rupees, right? Got a point. Finally I will settle with the 289 rupees, which is profitable for me. Okay, so this is early growth. There you are having two sections, early growth and rapid growth. In the early growth, you companies, other companies, those who are having the ability to manufacture the same product which you recently introduced into the market, so they will also be attracted. The Reliance or 10 introduce చేశాడు అనుకోండి, టాటా వాళ్ళు లేకపోతే జిందాల్ స్టీల్ వాళ్ళు వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఇదేదో బాగుంది అని చెప్పి వాళ్ళు కూడా దిగిపోతారు. సో ఆటోమేటికలీ కాంపిటీషన్ విల్ ఇంక్రీజ్, రైట్? బట్ being the first person to enter into the market, your market will be very high. Now you are having rapid growth. Ikkada rapid growth lo em cheyalante your main thing, marketing strategy should be grab the market share maximum. Market share maximum తీసుకో. Then only you are getting the profit. Okay, because you are holding only this reason to have the high market share and high profit. Until unless you are getting the break even is completed. Suppose my investment is 1 lakh rupees and for each and every product I am getting only 500 rupees profit. How many units I need to sell minimum? 1 lakh divided by 500. So it is 200 units. So it is 200 units. So after 201 units, then I will get the profit. So this break-even stage is to be completed before your rapid growth will start. Otherwise, there will not be any chance for you to get more and more. Right? Rapid growth వచ్చేలోగానే break-even complete అయిపోవాలి. Okay. So in the rapid growth stage, being the satisfied customers and the maintenance of the quality and mouth canvassing by the existing customers, so you are getting very high profits. Meanwhile, the competitors will enter into the market and they are in introduction stage or the early growth stage, right? Now, with the effect, after some time, maturity will start. Maturity means market is going to have matured. So suppose the market is having 10,000 users, right? Initially you grabbed 4,000 users. Next 5,700, next 6,000. The remaining 4,000 will be shared by your competitors. So all the 10,000 users are over, right? But the sales increase will be there because you are going for the second purchase or the repairs or the replacement. So there is a slight increase in the market. In the rapid growth, 10%, 15%, 27%, 42%, like this, the market will grow in a very steep way, right? Sales increase will be like this, 10, 15, 27, 42, like this. Sales very high increase. But in the after rapid growth stage, as the competition is increasing, suppose sales will increase by 15%. Next, after 3 months, sales will increase by 11%. Sales will increase by 7%. Sales will increase by 2%. What happens? You see, sales are increasing, but at what rate? Diminishing rate. That's the same thing graph. You are having the recall of your managerial economics, law of diminishing returns. Similar to that, the sales will increase at a diminishing rate. So there will be some stage, the market is completely fed up with your product and your competitor product. Thereby, market stagnated. That is called saturation, stagnation of products and purchasing, right? So the next stage will be automatically decline. Decline means the product sales will automatically go down, right? Why the product sales has to be go down? Why not maintenance, right? Because the people aspirations are continuously changing, right? Suppose you yourself, you compare with yourself, right? Your cell phone, your computer, your pen, right? All the things, right? Are you be satisfied with your cell phone at least for 1 year or 2 years? Definitely no, right? If any new mobile with 64 GB RAM, automatically you will be attracted and you discard your earlier cell phone into the dustbin. Got it or not? Now, what about the earlier product? It's gone. It is going to have decline stage because of two things. One is the customer's aspirations are increasing, or they might be vexed with your product routine, same product features, right? Otherwise, second category, what I told earlier, example, a new technological invention came into your product, right? So earlier your computers are very nice, but now recently, right, touch screen came into the market. So automatically, new feature is expecting. So if you make modifications in your earlier product to have a new trend or a new product like, then your product life cycle will be not having the decline stage. It is continuing more or less, right? Now I will show you in the last stage. See this? This is called product extension. So it is simply an add-on feature or functioning, right? So with your existing system, you add some product features, right? Automatically, again, it will start curve like this. Okay, it will not come down. Okay. Now, what are the different marketing strategies I need to follow? In the diagram, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to 1 promotion. Promotion means marketing strategy. What type of promotion I need to follow in different stages of your product? Initially, because you are not famous, you need to inform your market and you need to educate people about your product, right? And after that, stress competitive differences, because many people will enter into the market, you will be in some stress, whether to increase the price or decrease the price, right? And reminder oriented. That means you need to remember your earlier purchases and you need to satisfy your existing customers. And last one, in the decline stage, your advertising, because already the market is stagnated, you need not go for the next advertisement. So minimum promotion. And what type of price? Initially, it is the skimming price or penetration. And the next one, in the rapid growth stage, gain the market share and the deal. So market price is to be moderate. And in the maturity stage, because at a very tough competition there in the market and the market is very near to stagnated, defend market share. Whatever the 47% market share with you, you try to defend it, right? So giving after sales promotion or technical support to the existing customers, service, right? Automatically you are able to defend the market share, right? So this is all regarding your product life cycle and the marketing strategies. Thank you very much, my dear students. I'm going to stop sharing this. I will share the recording with you by sharing the YouTube link with all of you. Okay. Thank you very much.